Imagine a place where the azure sea meets vibrant hillside villages, a place that seems suspended in time. Welcome to Cinque Terre, Italy's hidden gem. Nestled on the rugged Italian Riviera coastline, Cinque Terre is a mosaic of 5 centuries-old seaside villages, each brimming with its own unique charm and character. Here, the air is rich with the fragrance of the ocean, and the warm, sun-soaked terraces seem to invite you in. Get ready to embark on a journey through 5 of Italy's most charming villages, each with its own unique allure. Cinque Terre, or Five Lands, is composed of 5 distinct villages, each one more enchanting than the last. Let's embark on a journey through these 5 jewels of Italy. Our first stop is Monterosso al Mare. Known for its beautiful sandy beaches, Monterosso is a sun-seeker's paradise, but the allure of this village goes beyond its shores. Wander into the old town, and you'll discover a labyrinth of narrow streets, filled with the aroma of fresh seafood and local wine. The charm of Monterosso lies in this perfect blend of sun, sea, and sumptuous cuisine. Next, we travel to Vernazza, a village that seems to have sprung from a picture postcard. With its stunning harbor and pastel-colored houses clinging to the cliffs, Vernazza is a photographer's dream. Here, time seems to stand still, as life revolves around the rhythm of the sea. We then ascend to Corniglia, perched high on a hilltop. Unlike its sister villages, Corniglia is not directly adjacent to the sea. Instead, it offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking. The village seems to float between the azure sky and the turquoise sea, creating an otherworldly spectacle. Our penultimate stop is Manarola, a village that bursts with color. Houses painted in vibrant hues jostle for space on the steep terraces, interspersed with lush vineyards. Manarola is a celebration of life and color, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its inhabitants. Finally, we arrive at Rio Maggiore. As the southernmost village, Rio Maggiore retains the charm of a classic Italian fishing village. Picture narrow lanes meandering down to a small harbor, boats bobbing gently on the waves, the air filled with the tang of the sea. It's a perfect conclusion to our journey. Each village in Cinque Terre paints a different picture, yet all share the same mesmerizing blend of natural beauty and old-world charm. Whether it's Monterosso's sun-kissed beaches, Vernazza's picturesque harbor, Corniglia's sweeping views, Manarola's kaleidoscope of colors, or Rio Maggiore's fishing village charm, Cinque Terre is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Cinque Terre is a testament to Italy's enduring charm, a place where time seems to stand still. This treasured locale brings together the best of Italy, its stunning natural beauty, its rich historical narrative, and its vibrant culture. Each village tells a story, each landscape paints a picture, and every experience deepens your connection with this enchanting part of the world. Cinque Terre, Italy's hidden gem, awaits your discovery. Experience the magic of 5 lands woven together by the threads of history and the charm of the Italian Riviera.